equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on replacing the port on your Lenovo IdeaPad. Today, we'll walk you through the necessary steps, tools, and tips to ensure a successful repair. Let's get started. First, gather your tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap to prevent any static damage to your device. Make sure you have a clean workspace to keep everything organized. Begin by powering off your Lenovo IdeaPad and unplugging it from any power source. This is crucial for your safety and to avoid any damage to the device. Next, remove the back cover. You'll typically find several screws securing it in place. Use your Phillips screwdriver to carefully remove these screws, placing them in a small container to avoid losing them. Once the screws are out, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back cover. Be cautious around the edges to avoid damaging any clips. With the back cover removed, you'll have access to the internal components of your laptop. Now, locate the port that needs replacement. It's usually connected to the motherboard with a few screws. Carefully unscrew these screws and disconnect any cables attached to the port. If you find this process daunting, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can get expert help if needed. After removing the faulty port, take a moment to clean the area. Use compressed air to blow out any dust or debris that may have accumulated inside. This is important for maintaining the overall health of your laptop. Next, take your new port and align it with the connectors on the motherboard. Secure it in place with the screws you previously removed. Ensure that all connections are tight and that there are no loose cables. Before reassembling your laptop, it's a good idea to test the new port. Plug in your charger or any device to ensure it's functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. We provide pickup and delivery at your home, making it convenient for you to get your device checked without any hassle. Once you've confirmed that the new port is working, it's time to reattach the back cover. Align it carefully and press down until you hear the clips snap into place. Finally, replace the screws to secure the back cover. Congratulations! You've successfully replaced the port on your Lenovo IdeaPad. If you feel this process is too challenging, remember, we offer a quote before repair, so you can make an informed decision without any pressure. No calls, no travel, just simple, effective service at your convenience. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.